Hey my dinos, welcome back to a brand new episode of Shapes with Sharky Shark. That's me, Sharky Shark. Did you know that the first solar-powered satellite is still in orbit? The sun gives us a lot of energy every day. It hits us with 10,000 times the world's total energy use. The space industry has used solar power since the 1960s. It's great for spacecraft. Vanguard 1 was the first spacecraft to use solar cells. It's the oldest artificial satellite still in orbit around the Earth. Isn't that amazing? Just using the sun's power to power something? Okay, dinos, grab your worksheets. Remember, the link below is for you to print them out. You got this. First, let's grab our favorite color crayon and write our name. Your letters are getting so perfect. Okay, now that we're done writing our names, let's read the directions. Color the shape that is similar. Let's read it one more time. Color the shape that is similar. Today we are going to find the shape of the triangle. Is it this one? Great job. That's such a great start. Let's color a triangle, dinos. Okay, let's keep going. This shape? How about this shape? How about this one? This one? This one? Let's try another one. No? This one? Okay, one more. Great job. Let's grab our crayons and color in the triangle. Is this shape a triangle? Is this shape a triangle? How about this one? Great job. Let's color in the triangle. How about this one? And this? How about this shape? Let's keep going. This one? This one? How about this shape? Great job, dinos. Let's grab our crayons and color in the triangle. Let's keep going. This one? And this one? How about this one? Great job! Let's grab our crayons and color in the next triangle. How about this one? Nope. This one? Nope. How about this shape? Nope. This? No, that's a star. No, that's another star. And this one? How about this one? And this one? How about this shape? Great job! Let's grab our crayons. Great job at recognizing all the triangles. Now let's read. How many shapes did you color? Let's read it one more time. How many shapes did you color? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count with me, dinos. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 triangles. Let's grab our crayons and write in the number 6 because we've counted 6 shapes that are similar. Now let's not forget to color Mrs. Triangle. Today I'm coloring Mrs. Triangle blue. Did you know that the triangle has 3 sides and 3 points? Let's not forget to color in her arms. I'm using orange as her arms. Did you know that blue and orange are complementary colors? That means they complement each other. Great job, my dinos. I'm so proud of you for finding all the triangles. I can't wait to see you next week. Bye, my dinos.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here.